Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to make this soft, delicious, aromatic Mysore Pak. This tastes exactly like the one we get it from bakeries. Look at the texture friends, this is so soft and delicious. We are going to add less ghee and more oil so that it's soft and moist inside. Let's see the ingredients to make this Mysore Pak. Let's prepare the sugar syrup. Take sugar and water in a pan and cook it at low flame. Simultaneously, take gram flour in a kadai and roast it until the raw smell goes off. We have roasted the flour for exactly 3 minutes. The gram flour is ready now, sift it and keep it aside. Now let's get back to the sugar syrup. To remove the dirt from the syrup, add in a tablespoon of milk in it. Once you add in the milk, you would see a layer of white froth and remove it with the spoon. The sugar syrup should be of one string consistency. Meanwhile, add in sunflower oil to the same kadai. Add in the roasted gram flour and mix well. While mixing, make sure not to form any lumps. My amma is only making this Mysore Pak. You can also add in the flour gradually and mix it without forming any lumps. Sugar syrup is almost ready now. Simultaneously, we are stirring the gram flour as well. All the lumps have gone and we have got a smooth and homogeneous gram flour now. Cook the Mysore Pak from low to medium flame. Continue stirring so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Meanwhile, I am greasing the tray with ghee. The setting tray is ready now, so we have to prepare all this well in advance. You would see the Mysore Pak mix is frothy. We have cooked the gram flour for 6 minutes and now it's time to add the sugar syrup. The consistency of the sugar syrup is very crucial, so make sure you get that one string consistency. Once you add the sugar syrup, you will see large bubbles splattering onto the kadai. So you should be very careful while adding the sugar syrup. Continue stirring and you'll see the Mysore Pak thickening. Once the mix thickens, add in the ghee. Stir in continuously until the ghee is absorbed. To get the right consistency of the Mysore Pak, we need practice. If you fail to get the right consistency, try it a couple of times and definitely you will achieve it. While stirring, you would see the Mysore Pak is gradually thickening. After adding the sugar syrup, we have cooked exactly for 10 minutes and you'll get the right consistency of the Mysore Pak. Mysore Pak is ready now and we are just transferring it onto a greased tray. Just level it with a spatula or a spoon greased with ghee. Let the Mysore Pak cool for 10 to 15 minutes and slice it as needed. If you cool it for longer time means we won't be able to slice it into our desired shape. After slicing, cool it for at least half an hour before unmolding it. Look at our Mysore Pak friends, it's so moist and soft inside. We prepared Mysore Pak again and cut it into a round shape. Do try this delicious Mysore Pak and share me the feedback. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.